and welcome to Woodbridge, the best town around. My name is John McCormick. I'm the mayor of this great town, and we're here today at one of the very special events of the year, which is the annual health fair over at the Woodbridge Public Health Center next to the library and the high school. So with me is Dennis Green, our health director. And Dennis, tell us what's going on today.
Thank you, Mayor. So today is our annual Public Health Day. It coincides with the National Public Health Week. And what we do is we open up the health center. We invite all kinds of local health and health-related organizations to come and provide information, give health screenings. Wegmans is doing a healthy cooking demonstration. We have a lot of good things. All our divisions are here from the health department to share all the great information they have regarding their programs, everything from senior programs to youth programs, multi-service, the social workers. The health inspectors are here with their lead analyzer gun to analyze anything you have that might have lead in it to protect your children. Addiction Services is here to provide all the information on opioid overdoses and addictions, information that's very important and very relevant to this time. So we have a lot of great things. The local hospitals are here, pharmacies, all here to provide information, screenings, get you the information you need to help you live a healthier and more active and productive life. So it's a really great event. We always have it the first Saturday of every April. And it's very busy this year, very active. And if you can't make it this year, if you haven't made it this year, we really encourage you to come out next year and join us and see all the great things we have.
And of course, the most important word about this whole event is that four-letter word, free. Everything's free.
Exactly. Everything's free, and we even have some giveaways. A lot of the organizations have great giveaways. We usually have T-shirts and hand sanitizers and all those little things that we hope make your life a little bit easier and a little bit healthier.
And cake from Wegmans, although it's healthy cake.
Well,
I didn't know there was such a thing.
Maybe the cake isn't so healthy, but the food that they make is. But it's great. They donate a lot. Wegmans does a lot for the community. They donate a nice cake. They bring some great food, some healthy food. Every year it's a little bit different, but it's something healthy. And they actually bring the recipe to encourage people to cook it at home so they can have it all year long.
Well, great. If you don't mind, if you take Samantha here on a little tour and walk around and talk to some of the people who are the vendors here, that would be great.
Great.
Thanks.
Thank you.
Stay with us, folks.
So here we are at Public Health Day. The first table we're going to talk with is Michelle Morgan from Multi-Services. Hello, Michelle.
Hi, thank you, Dennis. Good morning, everyone. My name is Michelle Morgan, Division Head to Multi-Service Program on Aging. We are a social work agency providing case management services to older adults of our community. And we welcome everyone to connect with us at 732-726-6262 for any information or assistance that any elderly in our community desires.
Okay, and so at this table we're here with Kathy from Wegmans. Kathy, tell us a little bit about why you're here today.
Okay, we're here promoting good health, and with our company Wegmans, we are very big in our community service. So what I'm doing today is I'm giving out some lentil soup, vegetarian, healthy. We have our hot food bar, but also in Wegmans when you come in we have sampling, and if there's anything that you want to try, you could just ask the people and they say, I want to try that. No problem, we'll let you try it.
Terrific, thank you. Now, I did taste it. It was very yummy. So I recommend everyone to try it. Now, do you give away the recipe? Do you have the recipe for people to try it?
If you go online, Wegmans.com, you can look up all different types of recipes. I did have recipes, but obviously they were all taken today. But Wegmans.com would have all our recipes and good healthy things to try.
Terrific, thank you. Well, I'm glad to hear that the recipes were taken. That means people were interested and wanted to do it. So thank you for coming. We appreciate your participation.
Thank you so much, and we'll see you next year.
So now we moved on to the Senior Transportation of Woodbridge table. We're here with Diane. Diane, tell us a little bit about what you have here.
Well, we have a little bit of everything for our elderly community. We provide them with reusable shopping bags because we do trips to ShopRite for them weekly. Inside we have a stadium seat, a lunch bag, a water bottle, and a t-shirt. We provide transportation to all of our elderly seniors 60 or older that are residents of the Township of Woodbridge. We provide transportation to the community center, the senior centers, the club at Woodbridge, Woodbridge ShopRite, and we also started providing last year medical appointments.
So, Diane, so all the trips are free, correct?
They are free.
And did we provide transportation today to the Public Health Day for the seniors?
We did. We had 12 seniors sign up to come to Public Health Day today, so they were picked up at their home, brought here, and they're just about ready to take off now to go back home.
Terrific. So if someone wanted to start using the senior transportation, what would they need to do?
They can give me a call at 732-726-2394. I can send them out a booklet that contains an application form. They can send it back to me, and we'll get them started.
Terrific. Thanks for coming.
Have a good day.
Okay, and at this table we're here with Joelle from the Woodbridge Police Department. Joelle, tell us a little bit about why you're here today.
Today we brought stuff to help the public with safety stuff for their home. We have these magnets that go in the refrigerator. On the inside there's paper. You can put your doctor's name, emergency contacts, and all the prescriptions that you take. So if we ever have to come to your house and you can't tell us this information, we can take this off your refrigerator and give it to you. We also have some Band-Aids here. They're pretty cool. You keep them in your car. And we have some stuff on internet safety also.
Terrific. Thanks for coming.
Oh, you're welcome. Thank you.
Okay, and we're moving along to another table here. Now, we have Liz from Five Branches Senior Center, but Liz is going to talk a little bit about all the senior centers and all the terrific things we have going on there.
Hi, my name is Liz. I'm the coordinator, as he said, at the Five Branches Senior Center. We have 3 senior centers, the Sycamore Senior Center, mine, Five Branches, and the Evergreen Senior Center. We have a lot of activities for seniors 60 and older. Once a month we do a luncheon for the seniors, 3 hours of a hot buffet and entertainment. We have fitness classes, enrichment courses, you name it, we got it.
Terrific. Now, thanks for coming today. I see you have lots of information on the calendars because we put out a calendar every month of all the great activities. We also have some of the information for some of the upcoming events. But if someone's not here today and they want to contact you to find out either to register and join or about some of the programs, what would they do?
So they can come into any of our facilities. I'm located in Island, Sycamore's in Port Reading, Evergreen is in Colonia, but if you want to give me a call, my phone number is 732-726-6277. I'll answer any questions you have about all the senior centers and get you set up.
Thanks for coming.
Thank you.
Okay, so we're here with the Addiction Services Group. So I'm going to let Bonnie tell us who everybody is and tell us a little bit about the program, and then maybe we can have other people tell us a little bit about what they're here for and what information they have, okay?
Hello, my name is Bonnie Nolan. I'm the Addiction Services Coordinator. This is Chris Powers.
And I am the Woodbridge Recovery Coach Supervisor.
And Sarah Marie Delval.
I'm the assistant to Bonnie and Chris.
And we have here Olivia and Charlie. They're also our assistants today. And what we do is we help people who are struggling with substance use disorders find recovery in a lot of different ways. And we want to, what do we want to do, Olivia?
We want to help people get better and make sure that people stop getting sick from all these horrible things.
That's right. And we want to break the stigma, right? We want people to talk about it. When people have substance use disorders, we want them to reach out and get help and talk about it. Break the stigma, right?
Yes, break the stigma.
Thanks.
Terrific. Thank you.
Thank you.
Okay, so we're moving into the back of the auditorium now, and we're here with Harry from the Medicine Shop. Harry, tell us a little bit about why you're here today.
I'm just here for this awareness of health and wellness. Just want to be part of the community and participate and help people out.
Terrific. Now, thanks for coming. I see your table. You have lots of good information and some giveaways. So I see people are registering for something. What do we have a sign up for?
Well, the sign up is for a free vitamin program that we offer through the Medicine Shop. It's free for any Woodbridge Township resident. We have a vitamin that's specifically for our seniors, and then we also have a really good gummy vitamin for our children.
So that's terrific. So that's great. That's a great program that you're offering to the community, and it's very important, obviously. And so I see you have lots of other good information. So if people wanted to reach out to you and have more questions, where could they reach out to you at?
Oh, well, you could reach us at our location at 458 Amboy Avenue in Woodbridge. Our number is 732-636-0011.
Great. Thanks for coming today.
Thank you.
So at this table, we're here with Meji from the Greenway Success Center in Fords. Meji, tell us a little bit about your program over at the Greenway Success Center and what information you have here today.
Sure. So the Greenway Family Success Center is a nonprofit community-based organization. We are a space where families can come together, to gather, to participate in a variety of activities, to have access to resources and programs, all of which are free of charge. We offer a variety of activities and programs, financial literacy workshops, parent education workshops, parent and child activities. It's a little bit of everything, and our programs are reflective of what the community wants. So whatever our families are interested in, we try our best to put together for them. We connect with our community partners and other agencies in the community to bring great programs to the families that come to the center.
Well, it's terrific. So I see you have some nice information here. You have some calendars. You have a sign-up sheet. What's the sign-up sheet for?
So the sign-up sheet is for anyone that sees something that they're interested in. If they see a program that they would like to sign up for, or if they want additional information, they can sign that. If they're interested in volunteering, which is something else that we offer to community members, if they want to give back, if they have a particular skill that they would want to show to the rest of the community, we're open to receiving anyone that wants to just kind of give back to their community and wants to be involved in the community. And that's what that sign-in sheet for.
Well, that's terrific. It seems like you have a really nice program, really important program for the community. Now, if someone wanted to get in touch with you, how would they do it?
They could give us a call at 732-527-3400, or they could check us out on Facebook. We have a page where we put our pictures and other upcoming programs that are taking place. So those are the ways that they can reach out to us.
And you're also located in Fords, correct?
Yes. We are located at 535 New Brunswick Avenue in Fords.
Okay. Terrific. Thanks for coming.
Thank you so much for having us.
We're here with Laura from Hackensack Meridian Health, and Laura has a table here with some information and look like they're doing some screenings. Laura, tell us a little bit about what you guys have here today.
Okay, so today we're doing bone density screenings for the public to talk about the health of their bones and any bone loss they might encounter. So it's especially helpful for women to do bone density, especially after menopause. So that's what we're doing today. We also have our other programs here. We do community health education and prevention education, screenings, and work with a lot of community places in the Township, Middlesex County.
Okay, terrific. Thanks for coming today.
Thank you.
Okay, and at this table we're here with Margarita, and she has some information on Alzheimer's and dementia. So Margarita, tell us a little bit about what you have here and about your program.
I decided to make the education of dementia and Alzheimer's a lifelong mission. My father died of Alzheimer's and dementia this past January 24th, but it was a 7-year journey that we went through with my dad. So I wrote this book. It's called Vignettes of a Family Journey, and it has to do with, I would say, roughly 6 out of the 7 years that we went through this with my dad. But I wrote it from the family's point of view, from my mother's point of view, from us as the children, from the friends, so that this way people can have a bit of empathy and not feel the sense of shame that people feel with dealing with this disease. It's very important for the public to know that there's nothing to be ashamed of when it comes to Alzheimer's and dementia. And it's affecting people that are younger and younger over time. And in fact, one of my friends at age 49 got dementia from an argument because his vessels in the brain constricted. There was no blood flowing through the brain. So you have to be able to control your brain and your anger and your rage. And this is what I'm here for, to educate the public about the importance of understanding your brain, how controlling stress affects it, how what you eat affects it, lack of exercise affects it. So it's very important for the public to understand and to know this illness.
Well, great. Thank you. Thank you for coming and providing the information today.
Oh, you're very welcome. My pleasure. Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Appreciate it.
Okay, we're at the last table. We're with Holly from Right at Home. Holly, tell us a little bit about why you're here today.
Okay, well, I'm from Right at Home. We're a home care company. We help seniors stay independent in their homes, and we do everything for them from, light errands, light housekeeping, to helping them shower and bathe, and our big goal is to keep them independent.
Right. Okay, and that's a very important thing as we all age, and the aging population increases. So it's a very important that we want to try to keep people in their homes as long as possible, right?
Absolutely, because we find that with a lot of people, especially dementia clients and things like that, they're most comfortable in familiar surroundings. So we serve all of Middlesex and Upper Monmouth County to help out seniors.
Okay, great, thanks. Thanks for coming today.
Thank you. It was great.
So that completes our little review of Public Health Day today. We were able to talk with a number of different people at different tables about the information and public health information that they have. We didn't talk with everybody, but we did talk to a good representation. We have different organizations, different people, different information every year. We encourage you to stop by next year if you weren't able to come this year. We do have screenings and other good information, health information. It's all free. The program is all free. It's basically our Public Health Day, part of National Public Health Week. It's always the first Saturday of every April. Please join us next year if you can't. But again, this is Dennis Green, Director of Health for Woodbridge Township. Thanks for joining us today.